Welcome to Cook to Nourish. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chocolate mug cake that comes together in less than 10 minutes. Alright, so we are going to use all grain-free AIP flours that you probably have in your pantry. Starting with cassava flour, 2 tablespoons of cassava flour. And I use the mug in which I'm going to microwave this, so a large mug would be good. And followed by 1 tablespoon of coconut flour and 1 tablespoon of tiger nut flour. Now the combination of these 3 flours is what makes this mug cake absolutely delicious and the texture so fabulous. And next we are going to add a pinch of sea salt, like about 1/8 of a teaspoon. And now for the chocolate part. So I'm using raw cacao powder, 1 tablespoon plus 1 more teaspoon additionally. Now, if you are AIP elimination, you can replace cacao powder with Carob, which is AIP compliant. And next now we are going to add AIP baking powder. I will put in the description box below a recipe for how to make this at home, but this is basically aluminum free AIP baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of that. Now mix all these dry flour blends very well using a spoon. Tiger nut flour sometimes has lumps, so make sure you break all those lumps. And next I'm adding coconut sugar, 2 tablespoons. Now here you can see that even my coconut sugar has lumps, so make sure you break those lumps as you mix these flours and the dry mixture together. This recipe is really easy because all you need to do is just mix everything in a mug and then put it in the microwave. So next we're going to add the wet ingredients. So we are going to add some vanilla extract. That is again a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, some coconut oil melted, that is 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Now I have 1/2 cup of coconut milk here, and coconut milk is what's going to make it AIP compliant. Now you can also use any other nut milk if you have reintroduced other dairy-free milks. Now mix everything together, again making sure that the lumps go away completely. Otherwise when you're microwaving you'll have some dry spots. Alright, so this is all blended very well. Now next we'll just add a little bit more of sweetener. So I'm adding maple syrup here, 1 tablespoon of sweetener. Now as you can see, all in all I have added about 3 tablespoons of sweetener in this mug cake recipe. So you will be wondering how much sugar this is, right? Now, so what I'm going to tell you is do not eat all of this mug cake at once. This recipe makes about 2 to 4 servings. So then the amount of sugar is alright because this is really one giant cup. I'm using like a Starbucks cup here, which is really big, and you can also halve the recipe. Now microwave this on high power for 90 seconds. That's it. And then let it cool for 5 minutes because it's going to be really hot. There you go. Just see the texture of this cake. Amazing, isn't it? That's what really makes this cake so good. I mean, it's like the texture as well as there's no gumminess at all. Can you believe this? I myself have shared another recipe before of a sweet potato mug cake, but this one beats that recipe because this texture is just amazing. So I hope you guys can try this recipe. If you do try it, please comment below and let me know how you liked it. Also, don't hesitate to give a like and also share the recipe with other people so more people can try it. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Visit cooktonourish.com for more recipes.